Namaste students. In this video, our aim is to learn the concept of similarity in mathematics. Content of this PPT is introduction of the topic, examples, and third one is similarity in mathematics. There are variety of objects around you. Some of these have same shape but not necessarily the same size. What do you call them? Want to know about it? That only we are going to see in this PPT. What do you call them? We call them as similarity. In our daily life, we are seeing many things. Observe the leaves and petals of a flower. Observe the feathers of two or more same birds. Everything is similar. The general meaning of similar objects. They have same shape but not necessarily the same size. They have same shape but not necessarily the same size. Observe these cats. They are similar. No, they are similar. They have same shape but not the same size, but they are similar. So now only we are entering into the topic similarity and mathematics. Figures, any figures, quadrilateral, pentagon, triangle, any figures that have same shape but not necessarily the same size are called the similar figures. First I am going to take a line segment. Any two line segments are similar. See here, AB is a line segment and CD is also a line segment. It has same shape but not same size. Even though it is similar, AB and CD are similar lines. Clear? Next, circle. Any two circles are similar. The radius are different, that is same shape but not same size. Even though the circles are similar. Next, any two squares are similar. The squares are have same shape but not same size. That is, sides are different for these two squares. Next one, any two equilateral triangles are similar. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So any two equilateral triangles are definitely similar. Same shape but not necessarily the same size. Are you all clear about the similarity? So similarity means figures that have same shape but not necessarily the same size are called the similar figures. Definition of the similarity. Two polygons are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal, the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. This is a general definition for the similarity, that the two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal, the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. See this example, quadrilateral ABCD and another quadrilateral EFGH. Both are similar If it is similar means what you have to say that the angles are equal. That is the first thing. Their corresponding angles must be equal. So angle A is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle F, angle C is equal to angle G, angle D is equal to angle H. So the first thing is satisfied that their angles or corresponding angles are equal. Next, what we have to prove to say it is similar, the length of their corresponding sides are proportional, need not be equal. Need not be equal. In the congruent, we have to prove that it is sides also equal. But in the similarity, we have to prove that the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. That is the difference between the similarity and congruent. So, now we have to say that the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. So, what we have to prove means AB divided by EF, corresponding side. AB, the corresponding side is EF. So, AB divided by EF is equal to BC divided by FG and is equal to CD divided by GH is equal to DA divided by HE. To prove that the two quadrilateral are similar, we have to say that their corresponding angles are equal. So we said, and then the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can tell that the two figures are similar. Quadrilaterals are similar. If the two quadrilateral is similar, how we have to denote it? That is important, no? How we have to denote, how we have to represent it, how to write. If a polygon ABCDEF is any polygon, ABCDEF is similar to a polygon GHIJKL, then we write polygon ABCDEF is similar, that is similar symbol, similar to the polygon GHIJKL. Note that this is a symbol of, stands for similarity, is similar to, it denotes it's similar to. We know that all the squares are similar and all the rectangles are similar, but square and rectangle is similar. Consider here square ABCD and rectangle PQRS. There are equiangular. All the angles are equal 90 degree, but their sides are not same proportional. So it is not similar. To prove that the two figures are similar, we have to prove that the angles are equal. The corresponding angles must be equal and the sides must be in same proportion or proportion. Okay. First thing here, we proved that all the angles are 90 degree, but their sides are not proportional. So they are not similar. Square and rectangle are not similar. Next example, two hexagon. Consider a hexagon ABCDEF and another hexagon GHIJKL. They are equiangular. All the angles are equal, but their sides are not proportional. The sides are different. They are not proportional. So we can conclude that the two hexagons are not similar. Two hexagons are not similar. Next example, two quadrilaterals. Consider a quadrilateral ABCD, it looks like a square, and another quadrilateral PQRS. This is look like a quadrilateral. They have their corresponding sides proportional. The sides are in proportional, but their corresponding angles are not equal. In the before example, they are equiangular but their sides are not proportional. In this example, the corresponding sides proportional but their corresponding angles are not equal. In the first figure, the angle is 90 degree and in the second figure, the angle is not 90 degree. But angles are different here. So, the two quadrilaterals are not similar. Next example, two equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles means what? Each angle is 60 degree. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC and another equilateral triangle PQR. Since it is equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and all the angle is 60 degree. Sides can vary but the angles are equal since it is equilateral triangle. They have their corresponding sides proportional. Also, their corresponding angles are equal. So, the two equilateral triangles are similar. Two equilateral triangles are similar. I hope you have clearly understood the concept of similarity in our daily life and in mathematics.